Whenever somebody calls us about a deck project, it's because inaction is no longer an option. The rotten boards, sagging steps, or peeling paint have decayed to the point where typically even safety is brought into question. Nobody wants to slip on that mossy green deck board, or get a sliver in their foot, or be the guy who leans against that rickety railing and ends up spilling their drink at the party. There are really only two options when it comes to dealing with a deck in this condition. You can try and repair the existing deck, or you can tear it off and build new. In this video, we're going to cover some of the pros and cons of repairing a deck or building new. And by the end of this video, you're going to know if custom built is the right deck specialist for you. If you're watching this video, then you've likely already decided that you're going to hire a decking contractor and that YouTube tutorials on how to build your own deck are not for you. If that is the case, you can reach us by internet, you can find us on Google, you can text us, you can call us. Any of these ways will reach somebody who will be sure to either answer your call or call you back. Since you've already decided that building your own deck is not for you, we're up against the question of who to hire. And really there's three primary options when it comes to the type of contractor you can hire for your deck project. The first is you talk to a friend and they say, I got a guy. And so you could call the I got a guy and see if he's the right guy for your deck project. So another option would be to self-manage in the sense that you're finding a contractor, you're vetting them, making sure that they can do the design that you're after. Oftentimes you're sourcing your own materials and really driving the project forward by being involved every step of the way. The third option would be working with a specialist like Custom Built, where we take the design aspect of your project, sourcing the materials, and delivering an excellent product as part of the whole package. We take our customers through a three-step process: dream, design, and build. When it comes to your deck project, what you can expect in the dream portion is really spending the time visualizing how you want to use your space. During the design phase of your deck project, we'll meet back at the Custom Built showroom where we'll review conceptual drawings and really finalize the 3D representations of what your future deck will actually look like. We'll pick colors and styles and make sure that what you end up with is exactly what you want. And lastly, when the time is right and all of your materials have arrived, we will build your dream deck. So one question I get all the time is, how long will my deck take to complete? The easy answer is most decks take 1 to 2 weeks. So a basic deck is typically between $25,000 and $40,000. If we start adding things like a lot of steps, multiple levels, lighting, and special railing, the project could get as much as $75,000 to $100,000. After we've had a few conversations and I've got a good understanding of what you're after in terms of a new deck project, I'll present you with a proposed budget range to get started. Should you decide to move forward with a Custom Built in your project, we will ask for a 10% commitment based on that budget range to get the design process started. Once we've gone through the dream and the design phases of our process and we sign a construction agreement, we'll ask for 50% of the project down. And then once your project is completed, we'll ask for the remaining balance. Now that we've discussed some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to starting a new deck project, you will know if Custom Built is the right fit for your project.